Oh my, this looks delicious! Would you mind if I had a slice? More? Just a little more? Perfect! That would be perfect. May I ask where you're going? My little human, will you please open this lovely door for me? What? If you open this door, I promise I'll share half the cake. What? You think you can hide? It's only a matter of time before I rip you to pieces!
No!
Why did you smash my cake? I'm a monster. Are you all right? I would like to apologize for my actions. I don't know what came over me. It was your cake, not mine. I'm truly sorry. Don't worry about your apartment. I fixed it with my magic. And as a bonus, I got this cake for you. I hope you'll like it. Go on, it's all yours. That cake is mine!
Fuck this shit.
Wait! I'm sorry! I didn't mean to act like this. Please come back. Please?
Pray tell, what purpose do these serve? princess enjoys this.
Everything's perfect.
Oh, I didn't think it would be that easy. What?
I'm so sorry for what happened to you, Luna. You must have been very angry that night.
Indeed.
Actually, I know something that is capable of fixing your problem.
It's Tiz?
It's a tool that can generate any amount of friendship points at the push of a button.
Can it be true?
Oh, yes. I couldn't believe it either, but it does work. I know I promised not to have any fun today, but I couldn't help myself. I mean, I only gave myself 100,000 points. Anyway, would you like me to show you how to do it?
What do you think?
I'll take that as a yes. Do everything I told you, and it'll be just like new in no time at all.
Thank thee, dear Fluttershy!
No problem at all.
Well then.
work is making me hungry. Listen to that. I am starving. Huh? That looks delicious. I'm still getting the shudders. Huh? What?
What in tarnation?